Alright, this will be one of the elevators at the 24 Degrees North Hotel, Key West, Florida. Mowrey. From what I read online, this place was built in 1972, so this is a modernization. Going up, plane cab, 5. Yeah, this elevator number 2. Whoa, that was a bit of a bounce.
205 Elizabeth. So we gotta go.
Here we are up on 5. We're gonna let that elevator go. Not gonna bother with that one. That one is a stainless steel cab. There's a look at the pool. And there's the many houses of Key West. You can see in the distance. We'll walk down here and ride the other elevator. I think the other elevator is glass from what I saw outside when I was walking past this place. Here's the other elevator. Also a Mowrey. That's cool. The decoration they have up there. There's the water. Here it is. Okay. 1. Basic walls, but unlike the other elevator, this one is glass, as you can see. And this thing isn't even that old, and the indicator's already partially burned out. Here we are on 1. 6. Alright, we'll watch the view going up. Here we are on the 6th floor. Alright. Back down to 1. Here's your fixtures. This one's alright. Not the best, but not the worst thing I've seen. Here we are on 1. And the 1 button just went out. And I'll get off out here. And there it goes. That'll be it.